looks like we got a green light, 2 green flags. Darryl Cole's out of Hazel, Kentucky. All right, one thing you'll notice about this tractor, ladies and gentlemen, you won't see any smoke blowing. This is an alcohol running tractor. And I can tell you everything out here affects the way this tractor runs, and they have to get the fuel just right before it'll ever do right. He's going to see if he can get her crank back here. We're going to try. All right, ladies and gentlemen, looks like we got a green light, 2 green flags. Here comes Brad Decker out of St. Francis, Arkansas on full board. Looks like we got a green light and 2 green flags. Fred Roach out of Enville, Tennessee on Little Blue. Mr. Nolan Robinson out of Atwood, Tennessee on the Cracker Jack. Tennessee Traveler. All right, let's All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get